In this video, I'm going to show you 3 hacks that multi-million-dollar Shopify stores use to get more sales and make more profit, and you can use to get more sales this year and beyond. Alright, what is up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 little hacks that I found from my own experience with Shopify Dropshipping and building multiple Shopify brands, as well as doing a lot of research into very successful 8-figure brands, right? I'm at the 7-figure level now. I want to get to that 8-figure level, which is 10 million a year, which is a lot easier than it sounds. I've been trying to get there for years now, and it's not that easy. And I've been researching a lot into brands that are already at that level. What are they doing differently, and what are they doing consistently on a daily basis, and what hacks you can essentially copy off of them to make more sales for your store. These 3 hacks also help this student right here achieve a 10% conversion rate on his store, and he's on his way to making $2,000 every single day with a 10% conversion rate. Absolutely killing it in my mentoring program with these hacks that I'm going to show you today. But before we start, I do want to let you know there's 2 links down in the description. The first link is to schedule a call with my team to find out if mentoring is the right fit for you. And the second link is a step-by-step mentoring program with me personally to take you to that 6-figure and eventually 7-figure level. All right, the first hack that I have for you is branding your products and creating a sense of branded feel in your Shopify store. I see a lot of people just throwing up a random product and putting a random name to the product and not really customizing it, not really giving it that customizable branded feel that a lot of big brands and 8-figure brands have, right? So customize your product names, and second, use influencers as a way to legitimize your marketing. I'm going to show you an example here with the brand Cupsheet, which every single month they're going up and up and up. This is a brand that I've been talking about for a while. Last year, they were doing consistently about 100,000 to 200,000 a month. Now they're at the million a month level. They're making 12 million a year right now in 2019, absolutely destroying it with swimwear and general women's clothing. And I want to show you right here how they customize their brand and essentially use influencers as a way to push and legitimize themselves a lot more against the hundreds of competitors out there. So you can see here in this particular product, it's just a cover-up, right? It's just a little cover-up for women when they're wearing a bikini and they want to cover up on the beach. Essentially just a cover-up. There's nothing special about it. There's no like awesome features that differentiates the product from anything else. It's simple, but they still customize it. Look at how they call it. Babe Waves Embroidery Cover-Up. It's not just a cover-up. It's Babe Waves Embroidery Cover-Up. They really customize the product name, as you can see in the other one here that I'm going to show you. Bloom in the Dream High-Waisted Bikini Set. This is something that you really need to start doing for a lot of your products. Customize the name, make it feel like you're special, make it feel like it's a legitimate product. People are starting to see all of these dropshipping stores and they're like, oh, this is just another random store selling random products from China. People are having experience. You need to brand yourself. You need to start customizing the experience that your customers go through in your site to make it more legitimate, make people trust you more, buy more, increase your conversion rate, but also have a long-term impact in your sales and in your profits. You can see as well that the women that they use in their pictures are actually Instagram influencers that a lot of women are already familiar with. If you have the opportunity to do so, try to get shout outs from influencers that have around 20,000 all the way to 50, 60,000. That's the range that I've seen that's not too expensive, but not too cheap that you won't get any exposure, right? In 20,000, a lot of people already know about them and they're starting to pop off. And when they see them on your page, that's a no-brainer. It's like, oh my God, Lindsay is wearing that bikini. I'm going to buy it right now. And that's what we did for our bikini brand to absolutely crush it. And that's what Cupsheet is doing flawlessly right here. These are all influencers in their pictures. Side note, if you want to learn how to find Instagram influencers for your particular brand, check out the video on the eye icon down here. You can check that video out. It's how I find influencers and the strategy to find the best ones. Other thing I want to talk about, very important, is I've seen a lot of stores doing testimonials, like actual video testimonials of people talking about their product and their experience with the product. This is absolutely king for anything. If you want to sell anything and have a video testimonial attached to it, that's going to sell like crazy, and it's going to put you on top of pretty much everybody else selling that exact same product, even on top of Amazon sellers, eBay sellers, because you now have a testimonial from someone that tried your product, tried your brand, and absolutely loved it, and now they can relate to that and they can essentially trust you 100% that they're gonna love that product as well. Number 2, video. Why am I saying this? Because you need to get a video for every product that you're trying to advertise heavily. Video converts way better than picture in any single moment, even in ads, even in product pages and everything. So what you want to do is either create the video yourself from the product. You can order it off of Amazon, off of eBay, whatever it is, create the video yourself, or have out someone, whether that's an influencer or someone on Fiverr. And you can see here on Fiverr, there's a lot of people that actually do video demonstrations and unboxing demonstrations for you. They're a little bit expensive, so 25 bucks, that's not that bad. 45, 100, if you want a better one, 180, right? It's not that expensive to get someone to do a professional video for you with good camera, good lighting, good everything that looks professional, that looks like you're a legitimate brand and that someone is actually using your video or demonstrating the video to your customers. And then you can also add GIFs or step-by-step images, just like this brand is doing here. They have a high velocity professional slingshot. This brand in particular, they do about 60 to 70,000 a month. So it's definitely a almost seven figure brand right there. And they have very, very clear images of what the slingshot does. So they have multiple images from multiple angles, and then they have very clear instructions as to how to use it, how to set it up, how you're eventually going to use their product. And they have here all broken up into the different pieces, really showing you how the product works, what it contains, and every single thing right here. You can see like a zoomed in option, like a zoomed out option, and every single thing, sizes, everything, just features, everything is laid out step by step, and explaining what the product does is very clean. This is the exact setup that we have on our stores and the setup that you need to start implementing for your products yourself. And guys, before we move on, I do want to congratulate Meet Patel for winning the one-on-one consultation call from the past video. If you want to win a free one-on-one call with me to talk about your store, about your ads, and literally anything that you want me to give you feedback on, comment secrets down in the comments below. Subscribe to this channel. I will be checking who is subscribed and who's not. So subscribe, comment secrets down below, hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I put out a value packed video, and maybe you'll be the next winner of the call. Hack number 3, clean is key. No scarcity app, small safety badges, to the point titles, just like Cupshe was. There wasn't any scarcity badges. There wasn't any fake countdown timers, no fake stock timers, none of that. All clean and proper. And how I'm gonna show you with another store right here. This store, Dem Gadgets, is a very general store, right? It's Dem Gadgets, but they still do about $50,000 every single month in revenue. And you can see that their page is very, very clean. All they have, auto cleaner, floor sweeper, $39.99, $80 past sale, and then buy it now button. No fake scarcity apps, no fake countdown timers, no fake anything, and just a very simple, right, upsell app here, frequently bought together, which I do recommend. Link is down in the description. And then a very clean here, guarantee safe checkout, boom, key features, and that's it, right? So these people are having stores very, very clean. They're not putting anything fake, nothing crazy on them, just very clean, straight to the point, descriptions and titles for their products. Reviews. I see a lot of people out there not using reviews, or using reviews that look very fake, or reviews that aren't even written in English. You need to get the app Luke's or Ali Reviews, which you can get in the link down in the description, and they need to be proper English. Make sure to check that it's not Russian, it's not Turkish, it's not Romanian, it's proper English. It's well written with good grammar. I want you to check through those, and images in those reviews or images of your past customers are the ones that build the most trust and the ones that essentially increase your conversion rate to the moon. Now, what to do next? First of all, revamp your store to maximize conversions, get more sales, use these 3 hacks, write them down a billion times, and make sure that your store looks good. Spy on your competitors to see what they're doing, and essentially spy on winning stores, right, that are doing it consistently, that are making these amount of money, 100,000 a month, $1 million a month, whatever it is. They're making that money for a reason. It's not because they're lucky. It's not because they have some special monkey working for them. It's because they're doing things every single day consistently that get results. The third thing, check the link down in the description to book a call with the Ecom Secrets team, or join the Ecom mentoring program with us for me to teach you step by step on how to get to that level of 6 figures and eventually 7 figures. If you're a hard fan of this channel, you know that I travel a lot around the world. So what I decided was create a separate channel showcasing my travels and my experiences across the world. I'm literally traveling to more than 50 countries this year and the next couple of years. If you want to follow that, the link is down in the description. It'll say Rafael Cintron Travels. Go check it out. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to see a store that does more than $3 million every single month, check the video right here. It's gonna pop up in this little square here. This store does more than $3 million every single month on Shopify drop shipping, 100% drop shipping. You're gonna go crazy when you see that store. So just click that right now and go to that store, see what they're doing, and copy and model what they're doing to absolutely crush it with your own store. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.